Hikoco.
Hi beauties, welcome back to Haikoko's channel. Halloween is just around the corner and I'm thrilled to share my Halloween makeup idea with a customized look. I've decided to transform into my favorite character, Kuromi. Today, I will be guiding you through my Kuromi inspired makeup for the ultimate Halloween party look. Let's get started! First thing is first, I pampered my skin with Hikoco's High Sheet Mask Brightening. This mask instantly brightened my skin, creating the perfect pale complexions I need for my Kuromi makeup. To create an even more luminous base, I'm using the Heimish Artless Glow Base. It's got a pink undertone and a shimmery finish to add that extra glow. Next, I'm lightly applying a white concealer all over my face to achieve Kuromi's signature pale complexion. If you don't have white concealer, feel free to skip the step. Blending this thicker concealer with a short, dense brush ensure a flawless finish that allows the foundation to sit properly on the skin. And don't forget to cover the eyebrows too. It's time to apply foundation. I'm mixing it with a white concealer to achieve a desired bright tone. Using a spatula, I'm evenly spreading out the foundation and gently tapping it in with a sponge for a seamless finish. A touch of setting powder will keep my makeup matte and long-lasting. Next, I've picked out the Romance contouring powder in number 1 Oat Grain. I'm going to start defining my nose first by contouring the side of my nose. Make sure to blend out the harsh lines through the eye socket. To create Kuromi's cute button nose, I'm adding a bit of shadow to the septum and around the tip of the nose. Lastly, don't forget to contour the jawlines to round it out. I finally unboxed my Roman Cross Senyo Special Edition Eye Palette, better than palette number 11 Cheeky Garden. Inspired by Kuromi, the range of colors are a stunning array of purple shades. Starting with the matte ash brown shades as a base, I'm using it to add a wash of color to my eyelids. Then, using a wider brush, I applied a taro milk color, extending it along the crease line to add depth. After I'm applying a mauvey pink shadow right under the eyes, giving a subtle like you've just been crying effect. To add more cuteness, highlight the aegis by applying a shimmery white pencil. This gives wide doe-eyed appearance. I'm making sure to add a dark tone color on 1/3 of my lower lash line for further depth. Now, it's time to carefully draw a sharp and sleek eyeline to capture Kuromi's distinctive style. I like to draw a guideline first, then carefully fill it up. I followed this with a bold line under my eyes to truly embody her character. Using black eyeshadow, I'm blending the harsh edges of the eyeliner. Then, reapplying the pale pink shadow on the center of my eyelid to perfect the eyeshadow look. The same shade was delicately applied to my cheekbones to create a blushed Kuromi look. I opted to a chunky glittery eyeshadows to accentuate my eye makeup, applying it to the inner corners of my eyes for a touch of sparkle. I noticed that the eyeshadow was a bit too blended, so I drew and refined the crease line with the same sparkly shadow. Moving on to the eyebrows. Obviously, Kuromi doesn't have eyebrows, but to achieve Kuromi's evil expression, I created short and thick strokes using the black eyeshadows from the same eyeshadow palette. To add the cherry on top, I've added voluminous falsies to accentuate this doll-eyed look. I'm finishing off with a swipe of mascara for extra curls. Finally, for the lips, I've brought 2 lip tints from Roman Joyful Water Tint in shade number 13 Custard Mauve, which is a coral-based pink color, and number 15 Cheeky Taro, which is a cool tone lavender color that perfectly complements today's look. I'm removing excess oil on my lips with a sponge before applying the Joyful Tint number 15 layer by layer. This will achieve the perfect pale vampire lips. Ta-da! A complete Kuromi character transformation for this year's Halloween. I had so much fun creating and turning into my favorite character. I hope our beauties will make the most out of this spooky season and live out your childhood dreams too. Who are our beauties dressing up this Halloween? Leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!